Man went and grabbed the ball. Alright, here with that Mustang again. He been talking shit all day. So goddamn Larry about to put this motherfucker across his goddamn ass. He about to put this motherfucker across his ass. He been talking all day because he acting like he won. And what? Come on back. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds. Hey, we ain't worried about that. Going. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds. You don't want to run head up. Yeah, you got this still. You know I ain't gonna raise head up. All right, we got another contender. We got a new model Camaro versus a Mustang. For what? Tie some shit up. He ain't gonna raise some head up. He already asked for some. He always asking for some. Y'all was just boosting your head up, goddamn. You ain't gonna run your head up. I ain't gonna catch anything a little bit wild. All goddamn day. Try me head up. Give me. I said, down you the head. Hey, you passed by me doing 20. Uh-oh, damn. Yeah, see where you at with. Run your head up. Yeah, you can't get no balls here. All right, he going to the burnout box. Coming out that bitch sideways. Oh, that's nothing. That bitch coming out that bitch sideways. Ain't no flat man. Somebody go ahead. He about to flat. Hey. Back that ass up. Back that ass up. Back that ass up, homeboy. Back that ass up. Get ready, Carl. You know he gonna steal. He about to steal, Carl. Get ready. So you raise your hand. You better go. Car coming. We got one contender don't want to act right. All right. Boy, he talking $100 for cash. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds. More when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds. More when I was and he gonna hold that shit. He don't run no more. Oh, he got burned out. He got burned out. All right. Hell no, we doing it right. Stop stealing, goddammit. We doing it right. All right. Carl, look like Carl got him. Carl got him. Man went and grabbed the ball.
You get the ball, man.
God damn. They gotta put a ball. Got the ball out. A stock car on the ball. A stock car on the damn ball. God damn. A stock car versus this car right here versus that car. A ball. God damn. Well, we gonna have this ending. Gonna have this shit ending. Alright. Oh shit. I done dropped the phone. But now here we go. Here we go. We got the main event. He finally showed up. We about to get this race going ahead and popping. We got Black Bitch and OJ Penn over there. Man came down here with a baller, man. That man said he want to fight to win, but he gonna still lose today. Look at that. Look at that. Man, come down here cheating. Stock car versus a baller car. Got a little cam in there too. I hear it over there stuttering a little bit. I'm gonna test the car. Guess it's gotta get it going through the system. Alright, we'll be back. Huh? Go. Here we go. They about to line them up. OJ Penn. We got an old family rival. Get that dog off your tire. Get the dog off your tire. All right. Goddamn Larry got another victory in the book. He whooping the ass and taking goddamn names. Goddamn. All right, we got race number 2. They want to run it back. All right, got one warming up the tire. Oh, hey, only thing to do is bring it back. Going down through there.